We do have some important updates to go and talk in this video, especially to claim 3 different airdrops and how to sell and claim and switch to the Arbitrium network your lava token. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. And the first one is a surprise airdrop for the farcaster users over here, which if you joined before July 10th, so 20 days ago, you are eligible for the claiming of the MOXY airdrop. It is a little bit of a procedure, so all you gotta do is go to the link down below and you will be redirected to this page, the warpcast.com website, and simply click over on this image over here. If you click on it, you will be redirected to this page, which if you are eligible, you will be able to go and claim your airdrop right here, which I am not because I didn't use the platform. So click on the check the rewards button if you have the possibility to do it, and then you will be redirected to the reward. You can also go and log in or create an account. If you have any question, you can directly talk to the team over here. As we see, they got all of the questions. They got some people getting the error, some people getting some not availability for the airdrop. So if you do have any question, make sure to create an account, ask directly from them. But this is an airdrop which is trading currently on KuCoin, which is really nice, and the current market price is 0.01 cents. So nice if you do have a couple of thousand tokens, and if you do have it, make sure to let me know in the comments below your token allocation and how many you have. So easily something that you can get up to $300 for this airdrop. Following up, we got an important update over on Owlto with the Zora airdrop, which seems like it's coming to very close, as they have started one of the collaboration with Owlto. And all you gotta do is simply go over here. I will leave you the link down below if you wish to go and trade on Owlto from any network to Zora to 2 and send Zora. You will get an additional 1,500 points for this one. And make sure to go and do it. Now, this will give you the possibility to be eligible for the Zora airdrop as you are sending tokens to the chain. You have the possibility to explore the art and get inspired and also mint some NFT if you wish to. And one of the NFT that I do recommend you go and mint today is the Mantis L2, the official episode 2 NFT over here, which it is very much underknown. And it is the official one from Mantis. It costs 2 cents. You can go and do it on any chain that you wish to go and do it, whether it is Arbitrium, whether it is Ethereum, whether it is this or that. We go and mint it, and Mantis is going to be very important. They are releasing a lot of the possibility, a lot of the airdrop which are coming to very soon. This is definitely something to do. Make sure that you go and grab it, as it is important NFT. When it comes to the Owlto and Zora, you do have an additional 1,500 points to go and claim if you do switch this. And this also will include you for the week 3 NFT release, which will act as a multiplier for the Owlto airdrop. We have the week 1, we have the week 2, we are on the week 3, and all you gotta do for the week 3 is to get to the 1,200 ranked mark. So top 1,200 people will get this NFT, which all 4 combined will make a multiplier for the airdrop and an extra token allocation. So definitely something to go and consider. Get this before August 6th, because then it goes away. Only last 1 week. Get the boost, get the points, and you will be eligible for the airdrop. And go and grab yourself this Mantis L2 NFT, which is really nice. Looking forward to it. Next up, we got the claiming of the L3, which I know a lot of you had a problem being eligible for it and how to go and claim it. So if you do have the possibility, the website is this one, is the claiml3foundation.org, which it does tell you that it is a little bit dangerous in terms of website to go and claim. So make sure that you do it at your and make sure that you do get yourself the proper one. If not, if you do have any problems, simply go over on Twitter over here and double check also with, I do have this extension that you saw before, that error page that I got it. It was from Pocket Universe, which is this extension right here, which basically tells you, hey, something is dangerous or something is not. If you wish to grab it as well, it's a free extension, just like MetaMask, just like any other browser. I will leave you the link down below, but it is a very nice extension to go and do. You got some point system, you got possibility to help others. So make sure that you go and do it. But as we said, if you wish to go and check for yourself as well the website, I will leave it the link down below, but this is over on the official L3 page, the layer 3 page, and we see here that they have gone live. So the claim of the claim and stacking is live from the layer 3 foundation, which they have automatically reposted, as we see over here. And this is the claim.layer3foundation.org, which you can go and check your eligibility if you wish to go and connect it. So whether it is the Ethereum or any other, simply go and check your wallet. Simply, if before even connecting, You can check the wallet over here, check the eligibility if you have the possibility to be eligible. And as you see here, I'm not eligible, so I'm not even gonna connect to it. But if you're eligible, let me know your allocation down below. You're able to claim it and you are able to sell it immediately as well if you wish to go and grab for some profit, as well as the Liquidswap airdrop over here. So we do have 2 different airdrops to go and claim, 4 total airdrops to go and claim in this video. And this is the LSD, the Liquidswap DAO token is here. I did connect with my Petra wallet, but as we saw yesterday, I am not eligible for this airdrop either, simply because I did not do much interference. Now, with this one, a lot of people are a little bit disappointing with the Liquidswap because they were not able to go and grab it. Let me know your allocation down below. But with the LSD, it wasn't such a such a big airdrop allocation for most users, as we see over here, $4 on the LSD and be part of the governance. So it is a little bit sad to see, but the L3 is way bigger and we did cook way bigger, as well as we got the LSD, we got the farcaster airdrop as well. So a big day full of airdrop. And then we got the Swell position over here. Now, the Swell airdrop number 1 snapshot is just a few hours away and it's gonna be happening today. So not much that you can do, not much farming that you can do for this airdrop. And we got the curiosity on how it stands. We got a lot of wallet, 95,000 standing at 100 or less pairs. Then we got 20,000, 100 to 500, 17,500 to 2,000, 5,000 from 2,000 to 5,000 pairs. And the more pairs, the more you got. We got only 83 wallets standing at 500,000 pairs or more, which potentially it is people that utilize a lot of liquidity as well as referrals, and 482 wallets standing between 50,000 and 500,000 pairs, which of course these people here from the 10,000 upwards are going to receive the biggest allocation. So let me know if you have any of this allocation or which of this wallet you are going to be for. But I do believe having a grand total of 142,000 wallets, it is going to be a little bit small for the smaller people. So I do believe from here, from the 2,000 wallet, from 5,000 pairs upward is gonna be nice, but all of this is just gonna be potentially couple of dozen dollars in terms of $80-$70 airdrop, but not much more, I do believe so. But of course I could be wrong, and we could have a minimum. So we could have a minimum of 100 pairs that, this wallet, if this wallet have taken away, which I know it doesn't sound good, but it would take a lot of wallet out, making it a little bit more prestige for people that actually farmed it with a few capital. But I do understand a lot of people do not have capital to farm. But those one, don't expect much from. If you are on these tires, do not expect to receive $100 or $1,000 airdrop. You will probably receive $5 to $10 in terms of the airdrop eligibility, which could be something that you could be interested on. But these people over here from the 2,000 pairs upwards will receive quite a substantial amount for what they put in, of course, with this one potentially making over 5 figures in the airdrop. Also, we do have a Dmail airdrop season 2 that is coming, and it is going to be distributed tomorrow automatically in your wallet, and I will showcase you and tell you what you need to do, but you do not need to claim anything. It is the Dmail airdrop on the BEP20, so the Binance Smart Chain token will automatically distribute to your associate EVM wallet address, which is really nice. And this one is finally the airdrop for everybody that have gone and farmed it in terms of sending emails, inviting friends, sending to the NFT contract. So all of those things will come to account. We do not know how much it is going to be, whether it is going to be a couple of dollars. We will see it tomorrow or not. But this one, if you did follow my advice from the previous video, in the past couple of months, we did have received it, and we would have gone and received it without any problems, as we did farm it and we did make quite a juicy amount of points. The next airdrop update for the Cosmos situation is the drop. Details are light and any upcoming drop money airdrop, but it's widely expected that the Atom and the Celestia liquid stakers using the soon to be released platform to mint the Atom and Dithia will become eligible. So this liquid staking is from Drop itself, which it's very under farm in my opinion. We do have quite a lot of people following, which is a reputable project, but the testnet is coming soon and we will find out. So definitely go and consider it. If you do have Tia staked or if you do have Atom stake, try to put them on a platform such as Drop.money, which will release another token, the Dithia token or the Atom token, to be able to go and grab yourself this protocol as well. Following up, we do have the Lava airdrop. Now, we have already claimed it and you would have it already within your Kepler wallet. So if you do have it in your Kepler wallet, all you gotta do, there's no claiming button. You would have seen it over here on the wallet itself. Now, How do we go and sell it? How do we go and utilize it? And how do we do and do everything? First of all, you will need to come to this website over here, which is the app.squidrouter.com. And you have gonna go and connect your Kepler wallet or your Leap wallet, depending on the one that you have used. And you have the Lava token over here. Now you can send it only to the Arbitrium chain over on your EVM wallet. So we can send it to our MetaMask wallet. And as we see here, I have already sent all of them. You do need to leave 200 Lava in your Kepler, which at this time it approximately is $20. So leave them over there for the gas fees. Once you've done this swap, it is very straightforward. All you gotta do, as we see over here, it is, by the way, trending at less than 10 cents. I have already sold my position. In case you were wondering, I have already sold it simply because I do not think like it has a lot of upside all the way to a downside. Looking at a little bit of speculation, just going compete to go downside again. And with the community, over on Twitter and looking at what they have to say as well. For example, over here, if you go to the Lava airdrop page, they have not said many great things towards it. So it doesn't look like the community is behind it at all. It doesn't look like they have, being behind. As we see here, the mainnet has launched and the community is really hating on this protocol. So what I've done is all need to go and send it. So once you've done it from the Kepler wallet to the Arbitrium wallet, all you gotta do, I will leave you the contract address down below. Make sure to go and add your contract address down in the description. There is the contract address, and we see here you will have the Lava token. Now, as you see here, I have already sold it, and my allocation was $342, which is not bad for a free-to-earn airdrop like Lava was, which was simply to replace the RPC of the network. But once you've done it, I will found it here. This is the official Lava token address. You go and insert over here on your Arbitrium chain. And once you've done it over here, simply click on the token that you will be representing over here, and you can swap it internally from your MetaMask position, which I do believe it is the best option to go and do. Simply click over here, select the token that you do wish to go and change it for. I did for the USDC token, and then you are good to go. In my opinion, it could potentially, yes, go up as it was, all the way up there, but we're probably gonna stay between 10 cent and 20 cent, or probably even go lower to 5 to 6 cent range. And that's why I decided to go and sell it. The community doesn't look happy about it. There's not many buys or sales within the 5 minute. As we see here, there are a few transactions in the 1 hour. Yes, it has gone up because people and has launched and have claimed, but I did go and sell it at the 13 cent mark, just for your information so that you are aware of. But with that said, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this drop and which airdrop you were able to go and claim. With that said, I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao guys.